What's the meaning of Clare Booth Luce? Clare Booth Luce. Clare Booth Luce.
Clare Booth Luce. Clare Booth Luce. Clare Booth Luce, 1903 to 1987, was an American author, politician, diplomat, and public figure. She was the first woman to represent Connecticut in the U.S. Congress, and later served as ambassador to Italy under President Eisenhower. Luce was also a successful playwright and journalist, best known for her play The Women and her work as a managing editor at Vanity Fair. Throughout her career, she championed conservative values and advocated for women's rights and opportunities. Today, Luce is remembered as a pioneering woman who broke through barriers in politics, diplomacy, and the arts.